Hi, my name is Jessie, and I'm the Customer Education Manager at Ramp. In today's employee overview, we'll cover how to see your Ramp cards and access card information, navigate between your transactions, add key information needed for transaction information, and confirm your settings within Ramp. We'll start by navigating to My Ramp via the left-hand navigation bar. You'll notice your cards at the top of the page. You can click into a card to find card information like card number, billing address, and which pieces of information are required for transactions that occur on this card. If the card has any category or merchant restrictions, you will see that noted at the top of the screen. These restrictions will prevent you from spending at places that are not pre-approved by your Ramp admin team. You'll notice that Ramp has a button to the right of all card information to allow you to easily copy and paste this information onto whatever site you are on. Full transaction history is grouped by the date of the transaction. You can search and filter options above to find specific transaction with a specific card merchant, date range, amount, and more. At the very top of the page, Ramp will show any transactions with missing or incorrect information. Click into Transaction to see which information is needed, scroll down, and add in your missing information. You will also receive an email and/or a text from Ramp anytime your transaction contains missing or incorrect information. A pro tip when using Ramp is to add your personal email address in the secondary email forwarding box below. This allows you to forward receipts directly from your personal inbox to Ramp so that they can be matched to your transactions. Once you enter your email address, you can press Save Changes at the bottom. Next, you'll add your bank account information. This will help you get paid back faster if you have any reimbursements, or you can pay your company back for any accidental charges on your Ramp card if your organization has reimbursements enabled. You'll start by selecting your bank. If you do not see your bank listed, you can manually add account details using the button at the bottom. Once you have found your bank, you will follow the prompts to sign into your account. The last step is initiating bank account verification. You will see a small deposit in your bank account in the next few business days. Once you see those deposits in your personal account, you will log back into Ramp settings under My Profile to enter in the amount you saw to complete the verification. Next, you can click into Communication Preferences to ensure you never miss a reminder from Ramp. This allows you to select when you are notified via SMS or email for transaction information. You'll notice that I have set mine to receive both a text and email for transaction information. This means that anytime I use my Ramp card, I can either reply to the text or email with a photo of my receipt, add my memo, and even input the accounting coding if needed. Now that our communication preferences are set up, let's log back into Ramp. If you need to request additional funds from your organization, you can click Request Spend in the upper right corner. You will indicate why you are requesting this in the card name. This is typically where we see customers input the name of the project or vendor this card will be used for. Next, you will indicate how much money you are requesting in US dollars and if the limit needs to reset after a specified period of time. After you press Request, you can track the card request and see who has approved it from your team and who still needs to approve the request. This is different for each team. Once your request is approved, your card is ready for immediate use. If you have a charge on your personal card and would like to request a reimbursement, you can select reimbursement from the left-hand side and select Create New or Upload Receipt in the top right. You will only see this option if your team has reimbursements enabled. Forwarding a receipt to reimbursements@ramp.com or uploading the receipt will create a draft reimbursement in your account. You will fill in the transaction details and press Request Reimbursement. Just like with card requests, you can track its progress in the Pending tab. As soon as your reimbursement request is approved, you should see funds appear in your account within 1 to 3 business days.